everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I invite you to journal with me or craft along with me using prompt number 23, Blessings. This is from the 31 Days of Gratitude challenge hosted by Rach and Bella Crafts. I write in my journal every day and I have added these prompts from Rach and Bella Crafts. And I also invite you to write or say at least your gratitude every day. There are many things that we should be grateful for, and cultivating gratitude does not cost any money, and saying or writing what we are thankful for does not also cost or take so much time. And so I hope that you join me today. So for prompt number 23, Blessings, I will use these materials. These are from my scrap bin. This piece of paper is embossed and I will stick this to a page. I have also the pictures of my 3 grandchildren. I am so thankful and blessed to have them as my wonderful grandkids. And this is from my kit. I love the phrase here. Oh, taste and see that the Lord is good. This is from Psalm 34 verse 8. I will use the back to journal. And I have a beautiful card here. I will also use the back to write something. All the things that I am grateful for. I punch a butterfly. This is also a sentiment blessed. Some scraps. And a picture. This is a family get-together photo and I just printed on a white copy paper. This paper is a die cut. I use the die from Elizabeth Craft Design and it's one of my favorites. And I may use this sheet also to journal. And to add sentiments, I will use my Dymo Label Maker. And it is actually one of my favorite tools now. I will have another video, separate video on how to really use the Dymo Label Maker. And of course, I will use the distress ink from Ranger and a glue. I also have a double-sided tape. And I may add some thread or twine later on. And I will use my everyday journal. And I'm very close to the end of this book. So I will let the music play so you can craft along and or journal with me, but I will be back. I am back. Thank you for staying. I hope that you like this journal spread. The love of my family, among others, is one of the blessings that I am truly, truly grateful for. I am also very grateful for all of you. And I hope that you stay till the very end of this video.
There's a simple rule I know, makes you smile and makes you grow. Be the one you wanna be, feeling happy, feeling free. Make the time and have a plan. Peace and love go hand in hand. Cause you're the one I wanna see. Won't you come and be with me? And spread the love. Come on now, spread the love. Spread it close and spread it wide. Spread it round the countryside. Spread the love. Come along and don't be slow. Let me show you where I wanna go. Share the laughter, bring a smile. Take a moment, stay a while. Find a partner to the dance. Don't be shy now, take a chance. With open arms and open mind, seek the truth and you shall find. Spread the love. Come on now, spread the love. Spread it close and spread it wide. Spread it round the countryside. Spread the love. Make the most of each and every day, and you will see a better way to live a life that's full of joy. Every time a smile can make its way across your face, then you may say you simply could not ask for more. The key to finding happiness is love yourself, and all the rest will find its way in perfect harmony. Life is waiting just for you and me, yeah. Well, there's a simple rule I know, makes you smile and makes you grow.